Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can edit your, character from your phone. So first and foremost, you want to press on your character over there, your avatar, and then you want to press on Style Avatar. Once you're in Style Avatar, it's gonna just load for you a bit. I mean, it really depends on your internet, and then you will be welcomed to this screen where you can style your own character however you want. So we're gonna choose that head. Let's see what else they have for us in store. We're gonna choose this body. Sure, why not? And now we need a nice pair of legs. What do you guys think we should go with? Oh, we could even go with something like that. Just the hats. Just the right hand on its own. But these are premium. So if you see something like that, that badge, that means these are premium. You need to get membership or else you won't be able to get these. So you know what? We'll just go to Zava and choose the legs from this guy. And with that, we just want to press on save and then confirm. It's just going to load for you a bit. And yeah, that's about it. Now we have completely styled our avatar. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.